Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Accept.js, a comprehensive payment solution that enables you to accept payments securely and efficiently. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of integrating Accept.js into your website, explaining key concepts and providing practical examples along the way. First, let's start with the basics. Accept.js is a JavaScript library that allows you to collect sensitive payment information from your customers, such as credit card numbers and expiration dates, without having to store this information on your server. This ensures that your website is PCI compliant and reduces the risk of data breaches. To get started with Accept.js, you will need to create an account with Authorize and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. You will also need to include the Accept.js library in your website, which can be done by adding a simple script tag to your HTML file. Once you have set up Accept.js, you can begin collecting payment information from your customers. This is done by creating a payment form on your website that includes fields for the customers' credit card number, expiration date, and security code. When the customer submits the form, the payment information is sent to Authorize Net's servers, where it is processed and tokenized. The tokenization process involves replacing the sensitive payment information with a unique token, which can be used to process future transactions without having to store the sensitive information on your server. This ensures that your website is secure and compliant with industry regulations. To handle the tokenization process, you will need to create a callback function that receives the token from Authorize Net's servers and uses it to process the transaction. This can be done using a variety of programming languages, including JavaScript, PHP, and Python. Best practices for using Accept.js include ensuring that your website is HTTPS compliant, using secure protocols for data transmission, and testing your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. You should also ensure that you are complying with industry regulations, such as PCI DSS and GDPR. In conclusion, Accept.js is a powerful payment solution that enables you to accept payments securely and efficiently. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can ensure that your website is secure and compliant with industry regulations. With its robust features and easy integration, Accept.js is a great choice for anyone looking to accept payments online.